So last time we opened up our plain text editor, Notepad or Notepad++ or whatever you've got on your Apple machine, and we typed in the basic structure of our website with a head, which has a title and the style where we keep our CSS commands, and then a body where you find the content of the web page. And if you go into your downloads folder, you'll notice you've set up a folder for your website. And if you click open that, at the moment, you've saved that index page. It must be called index, otherwise no one on the internet will be able to find your page. And you just double click that to open it up. And it opens up inside the browser. So your basic working routine is make a change here, go File, Save, then go to your browser, reload the page to see what your changes look like. Go back into Notepad and continue doing your editing. So let's go into the body and start putting in some tags to create our web page. So I guess one of the first tags is H1. And if from your Kojika training, you will remember that H1 is a header. So normally at the top of a web page, you kind of put whatever the web page is about, and you've got a main header. And that's your H1 style. It's the biggest type of header. So I'm going to put in here coding and robotics, and I'm just going to go File, Save, go back into my web browser and refresh, and you can see it's up there nice and big. And now I go into my body, and if I have any subheadings, then I will put it under H2 tags. And if I have a sub-subheading, it would be an H3 tag, a sub-sub-subheading, it would be an H4 tag, etc. And I think you can go down to 6 or so. So my subheading will be all about the BBC microbit chip that we'll be using a bit later in the year. So again, I go File, Save, and I refresh my page, and you can see here's my main heading, and there's my subheading. Okay, we're really making a start now. So let me go back in here, and under the microbit chip, I want to add some content. And any text that you put in is going to be inside paragraph tags. So I use P for paragraph, and I close my paragraph. So it opens the paragraph and closes the paragraph. And I could write in a whole paragraph here about the BBC microbit chip. So I'm going to say the microbit chip is a microcontroller that you can program using an online platform at microbit.org, and I just carry on writing my paragraph. Let's test to see what that looks like. So I go File, Save, and then I refresh my page, and you can see that my text is appearing here. Now I might want to control the look of all of this, and to do that I'm going to have to add some CSS commands. So let's do that in the next video.